.05?
That'll be the new legal limit if the NTSB has its way. And while we all agree drunk driving is dangerous, there are some who say this move is a bad one.
This is one where they're targeting law-abiding families and people, and I think it's a shame.
You're just going to scare people into staying home at this point if you keep going lower.
We'll bring you both sides of this hot debate.
A sobering recommendation from the feds, and it could lower Michigan's legal limit for drunk driving. Fox 2's Alexis Wiley live with more on this new proposal. Alexis?
Monica, the NTSB says lowering the legal limit will cut the risk of a crash in half. But opponents say all this will do is punish people who are just following the law.
.05, we're cutting off orange juice at that point.
Dean Bach owns Dino's in Ferndale. He wasted no time weighing in on this one. The National Transportation Safety Board is recommending the legal blood alcohol limit be lowered from .08 to .05. That would mean the average person weighing 150 pounds would hit the limit after 2 drinks in 1 hour. Anyone weighing less than that could be breaking the law after just 1. Dean says that kind of change would kill businesses like his.
The alcohol sales are bill payers. To make this .05 thing happen, when's it going to go to .03 and when's it going to go to .01, and then when are we going to have complete prohibition again?
It's not as if this subject hasn't come up before. There are plenty who opposed lowering the limit from .1 to .08, and supporters say that move drastically cut the number of drunk driving deaths. But DUI defense attorney Robert Larin says the recommendation makes no sense.
First of all, you've got to look at the National Highway Traffic Safety Board. They're comprised of mostly insurance executives. You're more likely to injure somebody texting in your car sober than you would be at .08 or less.
Right now, the NTSB's recommendation doesn't have much support in Washington, but could that change? Larin says yes.
They've asked the Congress to offer money incentives to the states to follow this.
But the real issue is keeping drunk drivers off the roads and saving lives. But these two say lowering the BAC is not the way to do it.
This is one where they're targeting law-abiding families and people, and I think it's a shame.
You're just going to scare people into staying home at this point if you keep going lower.
Now, again, it's important to remember that at this point, this is just a recommendation. And the last time the NTSB made a recommendation, it took 20 years before all the states made it a law. Live in Ferndale, I'm Alexis Wiley, Fox 2 News.